How do your customers know that low shear would benefit their application?
Well, first of all, as long as you have most of the conventional technologies, the low shear alternative will be an upgrade. And then we also offer low shear studies where we can come to the customer's asset. We can take measurements at strategic positions, and then we have a large bank of test data from our field tests and also from our lab test. So then we can try to predict also the effects that it will have on their specific asset.
And how long does a low shear study take?
That depends a lot on the customer. So it can be a couple of days on site and then a couple of days for report and also for estimations, or we can do larger scale tests where we can run for several weeks if that is
right.
So we are very flexible and want to meet the customer's wishes.